how to access and use Google Sheets. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use Google Sheets. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. Like I have opened Google Chrome. Now if you have also opened Google Chrome, you can simply click onto this Google Apps option at the top right corner, and then from here scroll down and select Sheets from here, and this will lead you to the Google Sheets. And apart from that, if you are on any other web browser, you can simply go to the search bar and search for Google Sheets and then hit the enter button. Now from here you will see docs.google.com that says Google Sheets. Sign in. So click on Google Sheets and it will lead you to the same page. And now as you can see, it has opened me a new workbook, and from here you can start do your work in this particular sheet. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.